Water can be ice, liquid, or steam, but can it be all three at the same time? Yes, it can be, at a special condition called the triple point. आज हामी बुझ्नेछौँ ट्रिपल पोइन्टको के हो र त्यसको विज्ञान कति रोचक छ भनेर। The triple point is the unique combination of temperature and pressure at which a substance can exist as solid, liquid, and gas simultaneously. Each substance has its own triple point. For example, the triple point of water is at 0.01 degrees Celsius and 611.657 pascal pressure. So why this is important? It is used as a standard calibration point for thermometers. It helps understand phase transition in physics and chemistry. In space science and cryogenics, this concept is extremely useful. Triple point को उपयोगले हामीले पदार्थको व्यवहारलाई अझ राम्रोसँग बुझ्न सक्छौँ. So some of the other common substance like carbon dioxide has a temperature of minus 56.6 degrees Celsius and at pressure at 5.11 atm, whereas for oxygen it is minus 218.79 degrees Celsius and 0.01 atm. In labs, scientists use a sealed container to show the triple point of water. You'll see ice, water, and vapor coexisting. It's called science magic. So, next time you drink water, remember under the right condition, it could be solid, liquid, and gas at the same time. ट्रिपल पोइन्ट हामीलाई देखाउँछको साइन्स कहिले कहीँ चमत्कारी हुन्छ भनेर. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you. Bye bye.